Hey everybody, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. And tonight I have a new tool to review. This is the Usiri. It is a compact half-inch air impact wrench, and I can't wait to unbox this. The Usiri company contacted me. Know I do automotive related videos, asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing something like this. Now I own a half-inch impact gun. In fact, I own several impact wrenches, but this one is compact, stubby. Half-inch stubby. We actually had one of these for the GSs to use the last job I had, and I found it to be really helpful, especially when getting to like caliper bolts, stuff like that. Things that were rusted on, that you needed air to get loose, and this thing would fit in spots that some of the newer ones would not. So let me get the camera closer in. We'll go ahead and unbox this thing, check it out, and I'll give it a quick test, let you know what I think. Stay tuned.
Right, here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the wrapper off of this thing. Now, one thing I liked about this when I was looking at it online, you can get these on Amazon, is that it's not just a gun. They're nice enough that this is kind of a package. It comes with some impact wrenches, or it comes with the impact wrench, but it also comes with some impact sockets. So if you're looking for like a homeowner's kit, this might fit your needs pretty well, actually. Go ahead and slide it out here. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. This I was not aware of. It comes in a blow molded case. Yeah, very nice. Actually, a really nice case. Nice hard plastic case here. Got two snaps. Go ahead. Oh, got some zip ties here and here, it looks like. There we go. And let's open her up. All right. Oh, I might have to back this up a little bit here. There's so many goodies. Yeah, let's do it like that. Hopefully y'all can see that now a little better. Okay, so right off the bat, we got ourselves a user manual. I'll cover that here in a second in the foam. And check it out, man. Nice. Look at that. Look at how compact that is. That is awesome. Forward and reverse. Yeah, it's a mixture of composite materials and, cast. I don't know if that's aluminum or magnesium or what. Nice. And what's cool about this, I was looking online, this is an oiler, so that's really nice that this thing comes with a built-in oiler if you choose to use it. That's really neat. And also nice, it includes that. How many times have you bought an air tool and it didn't come with a bit? Now I know there are different fittings, but 99.9% of all air gun fittings are this exact style right here. So that was cool of them to do that. And then let's take a look up top here. We do have, I'm gonna pull that out. It even comes with a tape to set this thing up, to get your airlines finished off here. And an oiler bottle. That is so cool right there. I won't go ahead and take that out. And then as far as the impact tools go, we got a half-inch, looks like maybe, a 6-inch extension, and then a variety of nice impact sockets. 17, let's see, what do we got here? We got 9, 10, so 11, 12, 13. Can't be right, let's see here. All right, yeah, they skip over a few, so there's 14. So I'm going to guess 9, 10, probably 12, 13, 14, 17, 19, 21 if I'm going to be a betting man. No, 22, okay. Then what do we got? 24 and 27. So most of your common sizes are in here. Maybe a 21 would have been nice for pulling lug nuts, but that's about the only one that I can see out of the thing that I would be missing. But overall, I'm super happy. Let me get my impact gun here. We'll show you the size difference. Yeah, I think you're going to be amazed by this. Here's what I'm talking about. Both these are half-inch guns. Look at the size difference between these two. If I'm holding them back to back here, look at that. And so while this is a maybe 700 or 800 foot-pounds, and this one I think is registered as 450 foot-pounds. Well, it's going in Newton meters, 610 Newton meters. I think on their website that was listed as 4 or 450. Yeah, so this 450 is plenty for busting loose lug nuts and stuff like that. But the handiness, matter of fact, hold on one second. Let me grab a 3/8 gun and let's compare it to a 3/8. If I can find a 3/8. There we go. All right, here's my 3/8 gun. All right, let's do this again. Even compared to the 3/8 gun, this thing is still quite a bit shorter. You see that? Look at those side by side. That's awesome. So that makes this thing so useful when trying to get into tight spaces, things that you normally would have to use maybe an air ratchet, which air ratchets just don't produce anywhere near the amount of power that this thing would. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the pieces hooked up to it. I'm going to oil it, hook it up, and let's try this thing out. All right, so I got the Usiri 1/2" compact air impact. I'm going to be putting on these bolts here. I'm actually building a back blade for my sleeve hitch. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this out right here. Let's give this thing a try and see how well it works. That one wasn't sitting quite right. Very nice. So that's the Usiri 1/2" compact air impact wrench. Thank you so much for setting that for me to test out. I really like it. Certainly it's a great lightweight addition to the farm and to the restoration part of the farm. And I appreciate that. So yeah, for those of you out there considering getting one of these things, link in the description below. These are available on Amazon. And I would recommend that. That's plenty of power for what it is. And as I showed you in the size comparison, this thing is awesome. I mean, it's just so compact to be able to get in there at those caliper bolts, suspension bolts, places that other air impact wrenches probably would not make it. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on farm.